Because one thing I never talked about on this platform, but I should talk more about it, is that why do they feel the need to treat prisoners the way that they do? Remember, we're not in prison anymore. These things are called correctional facilities. So prison's supposed to have died decades ago. So now what's supposed to be about is corrective behavior, doing stuff to get people prepared to come back out into society and become productive citizens. That is what correctional facilities are supposed to be. So if it's supposed to be all of that, then why are they basically cesspools for the most violent situations in the world? The reason why people are so violent in prison isn't because black people are violent in nature. You can go into prison one way, you're gonna come out another. I use an example. I was watching years and years ago, I was watching a Central Park 5 documentary about the Central Park 5. Now, this is well before the Netflix movie and everything. I saw one with all the guys in it, and I think it was one of the little light-skinned dudes. I think it's the one he ends up dating, Delicious, the actress. I remember with him, just a simple, normal kid, but when he got out, he was very institutionalized. He set up his bedroom a certain way. Things had to be a certain way. That is because the way they treat you in jail will condition you to move a certain way. So what that lets me know is that they create and foster that environment in prison on purpose.
Whoa. Before you leave this podcast and go somewhere else, did you hit the notification bell? Because if you didn't, please do so now. And I'm talking to the people who've already subscribed. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that as well. Hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.